How to recover blocked Instagram account. If you want to recover blocked Instagram account, so what we're going to do is for this, we'll open our browser and type in recover blocked Instagram account, and you'll find the first link like what can you do if your Instagram account has been blocked or disabled. So you want to just tap on that link. Now normally if it is a temporary disabling, then normally you can try to log into Instagram and Instagram will instantly give you access to your account back right there. And if not, then you can just tap on was this article helpful, select no, or if the solution doesn't work or anything like that, and you can give more information as to what you can do. But you can see over here you may be experiencing a login issue, but if your account was deleted by you, then there's no way to actually restore it. So if it was deleted, then there's no way to restore it, but if it's a temporary disabling or blocking, then you will be able to recover your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.